Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove 12 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip the device back over and open it up. And gently insert the opener pick between the LCD module and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the module free. Peel back the tape and remove the camera from the module. Peel back the tape and unplug the gyro sensor. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD module. Plug the LCD cable into the new module. And plug in the gyro sensor. Replace the camera and reapply the tape. Replace the module back onto the back cover and push down to snap it back into place. Plug the battery back into the motherboard and reapply the tape. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 12 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.